Hey beauties, welcome to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I believe you all are doing great. Today I'm here with another DIY project. As you can see, we have prepared another sunflower wreath here, but I am stopping here very quick to show you a quick technique how we're gonna cover this wreath frame center. As you can see, this is little wider. Last time I had show you we can use twist ties, and cover this one. This time I'm gonna show you how we can use plastic canvas and just put in center, and we're just gonna quicker do with the zip ties. This is especially for beginners. I know mostly beginners get confused what to do next. So this is the easiest tip I'm gonna show you. Once you have a steady center, then it's so easy to do your center, part. I got so many compliments on my previous sunflower wreath. This one is my second one, which is already sold. Other one is already sold. I'm working on third one, which gonna sold too. On my other hand, I have my burlaps all cut in pieces, 24 large one, 24 small one, and then the separate layer of green leaves, and then I just all spray with a very sticky clear spray, and I cut them all outside because the burlaps have some stuff which really like disturbing, it's hard to breathe with that. So I see some people use the mask so that don't go in their breath. As you can see, this is very steady. If you want to add couple more, it's up to you. I'm gonna add one more. I will just cut it. All right, and then we're just gonna. I'm using a small zip tie. They work perfect. You can use whatever you have. Last time I had show you, I had buy this one from Home Depot, which have a different colors and sizes zip ties, and that one is like 3 years old. I used a lot, but still I have, so let's work. Well, that's it. As you can see how quicker we have prepare our wreath frame, and not only for sunflower wreaths, you can use this frame for any kind of wreath, and it's so easy, especially those holes inside. They'll help you to go inside and stick your stuff. So I'm sure you like our today video. If you really do, please give this video thumbs up subscribes to my YouTube channel Cyrus Creations, and I can't wait to bring more DIY project for you guys. God bless you all. Have a fabulous day. Bye bye.